Nope. I got captured too. Destroy everything!
If we fail, Los Angeles dies tonight.
I won't let anyone else die.
You ignored the chain of command. Look at what it cost us.
June, call the team. Move out.
Yes, sir.
Jinpei, come on. Put some effort in. That's not even heavy.
Don't assume everyone a muscle freak like you, Rue.
Bro, I knew you'd come for us!
Nope. I got captured too.